Good morning, friends. Today's class is sessions in JSP, and we can see some slide using sessions. Here you can observe the things. Sessions are used to store the values. Sessions are used to store the values. Sessions are used to store the values in the server side. That is a very important point. Sessions can store large amount of data. In JSP, session is an implicit object. It is the important point. In JSP, session is an implicit object. That is nothing but there is no need to create the session object. Similar like when we are using servlets, we need to create the session object. Then only we can store the sessions. But in JSP, there is no need to create the session object. Directly it is an implicit object. And we can also say it is a built-in object. To store the sessions, we need to use set attribute method. Set attribute method used to store the session variables. It takes two arguments, that is name and value of the session. And example, session object dot, directly it is a built-in object, session object dot set attribute, and name is name of the session and value is value of the session. To retrieve the sessions, we need to use get attribute method. It takes one argument, that is name of the session. It returns session value of the session. Variable, example, variable is equals to session dot get attribute name of the session. Example, lab program. Once again I am repeating, sessions are used to store the values. In the server side, session is a inbuilt object or implicit object in JSP. To store the sessions, we need to use set attribute method. Example, session dot set attribute name and value. To retrieve the sessions, we need to use get attribute method. It takes one argument, that is name of the session. After retrieving the values, after retrieving the sessions, we need to store in the variable. Example, lab program. Now we'll see lab program. Time spent by the user. Here program number 1, some simple HTML program. It is redirecting to s1.jsp. HTML body form action is equals to s1.jsp. Input name is equals to some text. So name, input type is equals to submit, name is equals to submit. This is the simple output of the program, and automatically this program is redirecting to s1.jsp. Within s1.jsp, directly string name is equals to request dot get parameter name. Request dot get parameter is a method used to retrieve this particular name value. Automatically we are retrieving the values. Out.println your name, hello my name. Here I am storing the values. So session dot set attribute uname comma name, which I am retrieving. ఏదైతే నేను తీసుకున్నానో ఆ వాల్యూని here I am storing. Session dot set attribute is a method used to store the sessions. Uname is the name of the session, name is the value of the session. After retrieving the sessions, after storing the sessions, directly I'm displaying some message. Sessions are stored. Sessions are stored. Again I'm going for I want to store some time. Long time is equals to, long is the data type, long data type. S time is the starting time. System dot current time. System dot current time. Current time I'm storing in the S type. After this I'm storing this particular S time into as a session variable. Again I'm going for session dot set attribute S time, that is starting time, comma S time. This is the variable of the, that is nothing but a current time I'm storing as a session. Now I'm redirecting to s2.jsp. Within s2.jsp, just I want to spend some time, HTML, body, H-reference, it is redirecting to s3.jsp. Within s3.jsp, this is the s3.jsp. Here I want to retrieve the session variables. String name is equals to session dot get attribute is a method used to retrieve the session variables. Get session dot get attribute uname, which already we are stored in the earlier. ఏదైతే ఎర్లియర్ స్టోర్ చేసుకున్నానో ఆ వేరియబుల్ ని రిట్రీవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. యూ నేమ్ ఐఎమ్ రిట్రీవింగ్ ఇన్ టు నేమ్. సిమిలర్ వే లాంగ్ ఎండ్ టైమ్ I want to display system dot current time I'm storing in the e time. After this, long s time is equals to session dot get attribute s time, which we are already stored earlier. ఏదో s time అనేది స్టోర్ చేసాం. ఆ s time starting time I need to retrieve. After this, total time spent by the user, long total time is equals to end time minus starting time. Out.println hello plus names plus you spent, the user you spent total time. Here I'm displaying the total time. The main intention in this program is how to store the sessions. To store the sessions, we need to use the set attribute method. Session dot set attribute used to store the sessions, and similar way session dot get attribute is a method used to retrieve the session types. Okay, these are the things, and you spent so and so time. This is the one of the lab program. You need to complete the lab program, as well as within the syllabus also we have same concept. Sessions, how to store the sessions, how to retrieve the sessions, what is the purpose of sessions. Already we seen some particular concept. Once again we'll repeat. Sessions can store the server side. These are the things, and we can observe the things. We are completed cookies by cookies, and we can say differences between cookies. Cookies are stored in the client side, sessions are stored in the server side. Cookies has some time, but there is no time limitation for the sessions. This is the two important differences. And one more important difference is cookies are less secure, sessions are secure, because sessions are stored in the server side. Thank you. By next class we'll see some particular database connectivity programs. Thank you.